It's almost time for Jennifer Lee's Inside Scoop and Turntable track. Jonathan's also here because he loves Jennifer Lee as much as we do. So we're gonna listen to Jennifer Lee's Inside Scoop and Turntable track in a minute. Hang on. $1,000 minute insider information on 92.5 KOMA. All right, here we go. Tomorrow is the $3,000. Just been everywhere. $1,000 minute impossible. 3,000 tomorrow, Thursday. Do you want to win it? All right. Well, I've got the first three questions and answers. So 3 out of 10 ain't bad. Sounds like a Meatloaf song. All right. So number one, in Melville's novel Moby Dick, what is Ahab searching for? A whale. Number two, what hit song starts with the lyric, Jeremiah was a bullfrog? Joy to the World, Three Dog Night. And number three, how many years is a U.S. Senate term? That's U.S. Senate term. How many years? 6. So remember, a whale, Joy to the World, and 6. And you could win $3,000 tomorrow when you wake up with John Hart from Minute Impossible around 7:10 on KOMA. It's time for the and guys, I thought Jennifer Lee and Kevin Christopher were doing it all on the same day. No, Jennifer Lee has every other days, and Kevin. All right, this one fits totally with Oh Well Wednesday. All right, so on this day in '71, the Doobie Brothers released their self-titled debut album, which didn't really connect with the people. All right, it wasn't really pushed by their label. It wasn't that successful. However, the next one, Toulouse Street, connects with the people, and that was '72. So we are going to listen to the music from the Doobie Brothers for a turntable song of the day on KOMA. Here we go. This is a good turntable track, guys. This definitely fits Oh Well Wednesday, guys. song totally fits for today's turntable track of the day. And if we're into the free ride non-stop music, here is Men at Work Down Under, KOMA.
Alright. Thank you guys for listening to the turntable track. And what was I saying earlier? Yeah, I was saying Kevin Christopher and Jennifer Lee don't do the insider information the same day. So what I was trying to say, Kevin has some days of the week, and Jennifer Lee has every other day of the week. So yeah, so they mostly take turns out the week. So yeah, so Monday Jennifer Lee has it, Tuesday Kevin has it, and Wednesday Jennifer Lee has it, and so on and so forth. So yeah. So that was I was trying to say that. So yeah. But I hope you guys like the turntable track, and yeah. So we'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna finish hanging out with Jennifer Lee, and me and Jonathan will see you tomorrow for another turntable track. Bye, guys.